Using example 2 from our from section 9.1, the Democrats, Republicans, and Independent, I'm going to enter in the initial state matrix to review that. So to review that, I'm going to hit second, x to the negative 1, get the matrix. I'm going to go over to edit. It is a 1 by 3, so I'm going to choose A. I'm going to hit 1, enter, 3, enter. And my initial state matrix would be 0.42. The next one would be 0.48. And the next one would be 0.1. Then I'm going to get out of there. I'm going to hit second quit. I'm going to go back and hit second matrix. And then I'm going over to edit. And then B, I'm going to put the transition matrix that we found earlier. So it is a 3 by 3. So I'm going to hit enter on B and hit 3, enter, 3, enter. Then enter my values, 0.8, 0.15, and 0.05. Next row is 0.05, 0.85, and 0.1. And the final row is 0.3, 0.5, and 0.2. I'm going to get out of that and make sure all my things are entered correctly. They are. So I'm going to hit second quit and get out of there. Now, to find my first state using the formula, I'm going to go back to second, x to the negative 1, the initial state's first, A, and then I'm going to times it by matrix B. So go back to the matrix menu, and I want B, and hit enter, and we would have our first state. So 0.39, 0.52, and 0.9. If we want to find the second state, we would now have to go back and do second, x to the negative 1, matrix A, initial state, hit times, and just to be safe, I'd put it in parentheses. So parentheses, go back to the menu, I need matrix B, and now I need to raise that, since I want the second state, I'm going to raise that to the second power, and then I'm going to close the parentheses. That way it will square it first before it multiplies. And then I hit enter, and there's my second state. If I wanted to find the fifth state, second matrix, A, times, parentheses, second, x to the negative 1, matrix B, the transition matrix, and I'm going to raise that to the fifth state. I'm going to find the fifth state, and I'll close up parentheses, and there would be my fifth state. All right. That is how you enter the matrices in and how you use the formula to find the state you're trying to find. Thank you.